Hello students, in this concept we are going to discuss about vector quantities. So as we have discussed in the previous concept also, to specify a vector quantity we need to describe both the value of that quantity as well as the direction of that quantity as well. Now if we want to add two force, one force is of 2 Newton and the other force is of 5 Newton, let us say. So we wanted to know the resultant of these two forces. Then what is the value of resultant here? The value of resultant cannot be completely described just by knowing the value of these two individual forces, but we also need to know the direction of these two forces and law of addition that is being followed by this force quantity here. So for a vector we need to know three things to completely understand its behavior. The one thing is obviously its magnitude or the value, which is here in this case have 2 or 5 Newton in the two case. Now along with that we need to know the direction in which that quantity is being operated, and along with all with these two quantity we must also know the law of addition. So the law of addition being followed by vector quantities are known as either triangle law of addition or parallelogram law of addition, and these two law of additions we will discuss in the next chapter, but by applying either this or this, the two will give same result. The resultant of these two forces can lie anywhere between 3 Newton to 7 Newton. So what is the exact value of resultant of these two forces can only be known if we know the angle between the two vectors along with the direction or along with the magnitude of the vector, and using this law of addition we can exactly describe the resultant value. But just by knowing the value or just by knowing the direction we cannot explain the resultant behavior of two or more than two vector quantities. Okay, so thank you students.